too easy.
My feet aren't staying on my board.
What's up, you guys?
Hey, you guys.
Up,
I hate you all.
What are you doing?
Bienvenidos, amigos.
Does anyone else have anything to say? No? Are we good? Are we good? Okay, now we got it all out. My name is Gabe Cruz. I'm a professional moto kicker from the San Francisco Bay Area. This is Mogely. This is Glow. This is Nigel Jones. And this is Uzi Dan. Yeah. We are the Braille team, and we're here today to bring to you a very special edition of the Farthest Ollie in the Braillehouse. As you notice, we have new obstacles. This is the Braillehouse 2.0. We have this here beautiful A-frame, and we have this beautiful pyramid, and we're gonna be doing the Farthest Ollie on both of these obstacles. Isn't that right, Nigel Ryan Jones?
It is.
Hello, Dan.
So how does this work? We have to go one way or the other, or both ways, or
You gotta go one way,
which way is one way?
whatever you want.
You can either go this way or that way because they're both the same length. So regardless of which way you go, you're gonna end up the same distance.
But I prefer everyone just went the same way.
Yeah.
What if I go?
I feel like you gotta hit the wall and then hit it.
I agree.
I suck at the wall though, so Nigel got an advantage.
You are a vert skater.
You're a vert skater. You know what? Speaking of vert skating, I need my vert board for this.
Will Cortez is gonna be here next week, so you better get ready. He's training you at Berkeley Vert, you know that, right?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's what's happening.
Sick.
And Uzi's dropping in at the deep end of Fremont next week.
Show me where I signed the contract.
A-frame and then do the pyramid, or start off on the pyramid and do the A-frame?
I think start off on the A-frame, then do the pyramid. Okay, so we are gonna put a tiny little broomstick on the ground, so if someone hits it, it'll just rip out of there and no one actually gets hurt. And that's gonna be the way we measure how far it is. Okay! So we got the tape measured up to 15 feet, and we got our broomstick taped in place. So take it easy first, we'll just go step by step. Let's go! That was easy. Sebastian, get in here. Wow. Nice. That's our editor, Sebastian. We're trying to train him, and I'm gonna make him full send this. Full send! Full send! That was a really good kickflip freestyle. Why is Uzi taking so long? Okay, I'm gonna move it. We are now at 3 feet.
I lost.
Well, you know, it's because you messed up on the wall.
Can I have a second chance? Is that one
Yes,
done?
you can have a second chance.
Okay.
Hey, he's gonna run it back. We're all about progression here at Braille Skateboarding. He's never done this. So let's see him do it. Let's learn some stuff today. Oh, there we go. Yeah!
Woo! Editor's coming in clutch.
Okay, I'm gonna move it to 4. 4 feet, and then every time after that, we'll move it half. All right, it is now changed to 4 feet, fellas. Wow. It's too freaking easy for these guys. Uzi going for the throat. go?
Well, they already did 4 feet, right? So they can go farther.
Yeah, they can go farther. Let's go 4.5.
4.5.
4.5.
I would have died.
It's too easy. Uzi's gonna make it another like 6 inches and then be out of the competition. Run that back. I don't think Uzi actually cleared the 4.5 feet. We're not laughing at Uzi, we're laughing with him. What are you doing? I don't know. Bro, you've just been a skateboarding mess lately, you know that?
Dude, welcome to my life.
What is he doing? Okay. It is now at 5 feet, brethren. You think you're out of this one now?
No, yeah, definitely.
You can't go for height, you gotta go for distance.
My feet aren't staying on my board.
Don't worry about this, man. I think they're gonna make it to 11 feet, which is right there at the bottom, pretty easily.
They can max out at
I think max, they're going like 13.
13?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's my max, I think. All right, 5 feet 6. See? He wasn't
Easy,
even trying,
okay.
too.
Yeah.
I think Uzi's gonna make it to 7.
7.
That's it. Oh, that was close! Come on, Dan. Come on, Dan. You got this. Ooh. 6 feet, Nigel height. Hey, Nigel, you did a frontside air. You frontside air. Did you not feel that? Bro, you literally got air.
On what?
On the wall.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh,
Fully.
nice.
Bro. That was it, dude.
I'm trying to pump.
Dan, you can do it, bro. That was enough speed right there.
Yeah, but my feet weren't set up for an ollie.
Look at pump. Look at my legs.
You're stiff legging it.
Well, I don't know. My legs don't work.
Uzi's going through it right now. There we go. 6.5 feet. Told you.
Okay.
must unlock your pumping potential. Let's go, go! Let's go! Because around that point, it becomes less about the ollie and more about the wall.
Yeah.
That's why. There you go, Dan. What?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand it.
Like down here.
I need Uzi and Glow to do it.
Okay.
Come on, you gotta do it. You can do it. What is he doing?
I don't know.
If I clear the flat on this side, let me have it till it goes to flat. Then I'm out.
You can do it that far on this side. We'll count.
No, it's fine.
It's like.
It's fine. I'll just try to do it to flat.
You good, Nick?
Good? It's up to you. You can keep going or you can call yourself out.
I'm gonna just tag myself out and give the joy to my friend Dan.
Glow is the first one to drop, people. The competition is getting more intense. We have now moved the line to 8 feet. 8 feet. Wow. Woo-woo-woo! 9 feet. All right, impromptu skate sesh. Hold up. Come on, Uzi! Yeah! On to the next. So, Dan. Is this where you're stepping out right now?
Yeah.
So technically your stop is 11 feet. That's very impressive. Congratulations. Ryan Ames is proud.
90 says 2 feet more.
2 feet more?
Nah, maybe.
Let's go 1 foot first.
1 foot. All right.
And then after that, we'll move it half a foot again. You're now at 12 feet.
It was good.
13? Are you sure? All right. 13 feet. It's smart. Do you see that?
Never kick out.
Wow, you alright?
That just ruined my ankle.
The broomstick sparked.
What?
Yeah.
The broomstick sparked?
It sparked when you hit it. That was amazing. All right, Nigel, what's the move?
He's gonna go.
All right, so we gotta move it. If you do anything above 13, you win. All right, Mogs, if you land this, you are officially the Far Ollie Challenge winner.
All right. Nope. Other way. Other way. Other way. Other way. Twist it. Twist it. All right. There we go. Let's go. Okay. It was that.
Well, to be honest, I think that is a good conclusion to this video.
That is a great conclusion.
Would anyone like to sesh the rail for a little while for this video?
Mogely would.
So, anyone that wants to see some skateboarding, let's get a sesh. Mogely and Glow, can we get a quick sesh to end the video over there? Yeah. On the rail?
Personally, I just want to say I'm pretty hyped.
Dude,
this is
sick.
actually my personal own farthest ollie, so like
I'm hyped for you. Congratulations.
I'm pretty hyped. So
this right here is the official winner of the very first Far Ollie Challenge in the Braillehouse 2.0.
I lost.
Congratulations.
I lost in the Braille Olympics, but this kind of made me feel good.
Well, that was like the fastest session ever, but you guys killed it.
What a fun sesh.
Absolutely. So we're trying to do some more real skateboarding on this channel because I know that's what you guys like to see. And we want to get as many of you guys into skateboarding as we possibly can. So this channel, we're going to revamp our tutorials, everything like that. It's going to teach you guys how to skate is coming back. So I hope you guys are excited. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, watching this video, learn how to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com to get anything you need from skateboard to tutorials. We got it for you.